Hey, welcome back to Millers Electrical Services. So we are on the larger of the Ardmore rewires. It's humid out, it's nasty, but I wanted to show you the house real quick. All right, so this is the fireplace. This is the great room from the other video. All right, the woodwork is original, so we're gonna kind of just check out the woodwork for a second. All right. All right, we're gonna check out the main entrance. And give you a view as you walk in. All right. This is one thing I love about this house are the pocket doors. Look how thick this pocket door is. And it's wide. It's a wide pocket. I can't pull it all the way out right now because it has to be adjusted. But it's a really, really nice pocket door, which also eliminates us from fishing wires up and down this wall. So we're gonna close that off. All right. So this is the dining room. There are 4 fireplaces in the house. All right. We're gonna go into the kitchen next. All right. And yes, knob and tube is throughout. Actually, I think there might be more than 4 fireplaces, but we're just gonna say 4 for right now. I'm going to show you the back staircase. This is the back stairs. All right. Now we're also going to go through the back patio. Which leads us out to the main foyer. All right. Kind of go through a little bit of each room. I don't want to take too much time. We're using the balloon framing of the home, trying to fish it up the balloon framing. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. No matter what, we're gonna have to channel. It is what it is. It's time consuming, but you know, I'd rather channel it than remove whole sections of plaster. This way we can at least put nail plates on and you're still keeping the structural integrity of the plaster. We will have to do plaster patching, a good amount of plaster patching here. It's gonna be pretty extensive. All right. We're using the accesses as much as possible. In order to get to the balloon framing, the accesses along the perimeter are the only things that we have because the third floor is finished. There is a very small attic space. Not exactly the best to get up in there, but we're gonna have to. And this is the other room. All right, let's walk back down. Floor protection takes a little bit to do. For a house this size, you're gonna need a good amount of guys doing it, maybe 2 to 3 guys for an 8-hour day. If done correctly and it doesn't pull up. I would definitely estimate 8 hours for the floor protection. Anything less and the floors are gonna pull up, the protection will pull up just because you didn't tape your seams down correctly or you rushed the job a little bit. We're adamant on floor protection just because of lead more than anything. And also, when you're dealing with antique wood, especially a heart pine or any type of 1920s in the main line around Ardmore, Pennsylvania, there was a lot of pine, there was also a lot of oak. And that old pine, it's a soft pine. You want to be careful with it so the floor protection helps preserve it. All right, that was my little tour. Thanks for watching. Again, take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.